Yeah. Yesterday we discussed some introduction part regarding your advanced Java, right? Web application follows three-tier architecture: client, server, and database type. And the purpose of the client, right? Who sends the request and take the response. Mm. Is the purpose of the client is what? Who sends the request and what? Take the response is called client. Server contains application and takes the request, take the request, and process the request to generate the response back to the client, right? Yeah. And database is to store the database is to store the data, right? Exactly. So we discuss like no client server architecture, guys. So to execute the servlets, guys, so we are starting with servlets basically. Mm. Who will execute the servlets? Servlets is a client side programming, server side programming. Guys, servlet. Tell me servlet. What is servlet here? Servlet is object. Servlet is object executed client side server side. Guys, servlet is object executed client side server side. Guys, please respond.
Server.
Servlet is object executed what? Executed at solid is object executed what? Server side, right? Server side. Otherwise, the second point you can say servlets are used to write the programming at what? Servlets are servlets are used to write the programming at programming at server side, right? Exactly. The first point, servlet is object executed server side, and servlets are used to write the programming at what? Servlets are used to write the programming at what? Server side, right? Exactly. So finally understood servlets are executed at what? Guys, finally we understood servlets are executed at what? Client side, server side.
Server side.
Servlets are yeah. Servlets are executed server side, right? Exactly. Because latest version, these versions, the servlets are renamed as a Jakarta servlet, guys. So Jakarta servlet, formerly Java servlet. Hmm. So yeah, previously guys, yeah, a Jakarta servlet, formerly Java servlet, it's a Java software component that extends the capability of a server, right? Yes or no? All the servlets can respond to many types of requests. They most commonly implement web container, hosting web application web server, and qualified server side servlet web API, right? It's fine, guys. So initially, a Jakarta servlet is a processor stores a Java class JEE Jakarta servlet API. Yeah. They're saying simply the servlet API, the servlet API. Ravi Kiran. Yeah. The servlet API contains the Java package hierarchy, guys. Java expect servlet package. Define the expected iteration for the web container and the servlet, right? Okay, fine. Fine. Servlets are generated automatically by Java JSP. So, okay, fine. Guys, see, servlet is object executed server side. Servlets are used to write the programming at what? Server side, right? Exactly. Guys, this one is initially we have Jakarta servlet, guys. Later it is renamed as a Initially it is servlets, guys. It is now renamed as a Jakarta servlet. A Jakarta servlet, formerly Java servlet. That's formerly what? A Jakarta servlet, formerly Java servlet, is a Java software component that extends the capabilities of the server, right? Okay, that extends what capabilities of the server, right? Exactly. So finally understood, servlets are used to write the programming at server side. Servlet is object executed server side. The servlet will respond for the guys. The fourth point is what? The servlet will respond for the servlet. Guys, the servlet will respond. The servlet will respond for the request from the client, right? Respond for the request from the request from the client or not? Because servlet only will take the request, right? The servlet will respond for the request from the client. So it depends on the client what the request is sent. The servlet will take the request. The servlet will take the request and servlet will respond for the client. Servlet will respond for the client, right? Guys, the servlet will respond for the request. Respond for the request from the client. Okay, request from the client, right? That is information, guys. Request from the client, right? Yeah. So finally, we decided like servlets are either programming at server side. That's what to execute the servlets, guys. Guys, who will execute the core Java applications here? The core Java applications are executed by the core Java applications are executed by guys. The core Java applications are executed by who will execute the core Java application, guys? JVM, right? Exactly. So the database queries, guys, who will execute database queries? The database, okay. The database queries are executed by
JDBC.
JDBC. Yeah. JDBC could execute by JVM. Guys, the core Java applications are executed by core Java applications executed by JVM. Database queries are executed by DB, database engine.
Database engine.
Database engine will execute the query, right? Database engine. In the
Execution.
same way, who will execute servlets, guys? Servlets are executed by servlets are executed by server, right? Guys, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The core Java applications are executed by JVM. The database queries are executed by DB, database engine. Servlets are executed by what? Server, right? Servlets execute the server. Guys, that's what in your system to run the application. First of all, we need a server, right? Guys, in your system, first you need to install the in your system. We need to install what server or not? We need to install server, right? Exactly. Guys, there are basically there are two types of servers, guys. Guys, there are two types of servers in market. So one is like guys, what the first one here? The first one like web servers. Guys, first one is like web servers. The second one is what application server, right? Exactly. Sir, what is this web server and what is the application server, sir? Guys, coming to web server, the web server contains like guys, the web server contains. Yes, you got the clarity, right? What I'm saying, servlets are object executed server side. Servlet used to write the programming at server side. So Jakarta servlet is already Jakarta servlets are later renamed as a Jakarta servlet. A servlet will respond for the request from the client. Okay, and the core Java applications are executed by JVM. Database queries are executed by DB. Servlets are executed by server, right? That's what in your system. First, we need to install the server, right? Guys, first we need to install the server. How many types of servers we have total? Two types of web servers and what? Guys, how many types of servers we have? Total two types of web server and what? Application server, right? Exactly. Guys, web server and application server, guys. What is web server here? Because basically web server contains the web container. Guys, web server contains what? Web server contains what? Web container. Web container, right? Exactly. Because web container, what it contains, like web container is a combination of what? Combination of servlet container plus JSP engine, right? Guys, web container. So web server contains a web container, guys. What is a web container? Web container contains what? Servlet container plus JSP engine. These two components is the web container contains what? These two components, right? Servlet container plus JSP engine, right? Exactly. A servlet container is also known as like servlet engine. Servlet container also known as servlet engine. JSP engine is also known as what, like Jasper, guys. Jasper. And servlet engine is also known as like Catalina. Yes, servlet engine is also known as what? Catalina, right? Exactly. So web server contains like web container, guys. Web container contains like servlet container and what? JSP engine, right? Servlet container response will execute the servlets, guys. The servlets engine, servlet container, guys. Servlet container is responsible to execute which one? So use it to execute the execute the servlets. JSP engine, guys, is response used to execute what? Used to execute the JSP concepts, right? JSP pages, right? Is that clear now? So web container the servers are two types for the two servers. One is web server, second is application server, right? Web server contains a web container, guys. Web container equal to servlet container plus JSP engine. Servlet container is also known as like no servlet engine. Guys, servlet container is also known as what? Servlet engine, right? Plus Jasper. JSP engine is also known as Jasper, right? Servlet container is also known as like Catalina, guys. Either servlet engine or you can say Catalina, right? Exactly. The servlet container is responsible to execute what? Guys, servlet container is responsible to execute what? Servlets, right? JSP engine is responsible to execute the JSP pages, right? Exactly. That is like no web server, guys. Guys, here the best example of web servers like Jetty is web server, guys. Jetty, Jetty, Jetty is web server. Like that, you have multiple IES web server is there. So IES is web server. Like that, you have the multiple web servers, guys. Good. So web server supports only like guys. Web server supports contains web content only. Web server contains web container. Web container is a combination of what? Sorted container plus JSP engine, right? Guys, are it clear now? That's what, guys, we are going with application server is there. So application server. Guys, application server is a contains the web container plus EJB container, guys. Guys, application server means what? So application server contains web container plus what? Application server contains what? Web container plus EJB container, guys. EJB container also. Okay. Application server contains a web container plus what? Web container plus EJB container, right? Exactly. Because application server contains web container plus EJB container means web container internally contains servlet container as well as JSP engine. EJB container supports like EJB applications, right? Guys, yes or no? So application server supports both web applications as well as what? EJB container will execute the enterprise applications, right? Guys, yes or no? Okay, good. Guys, web container will execute what? Will execute the web applications, right? And EJB container, guys, will execute the EJB enterprise application. EJB container will execute what? Will execute the enterprise. Tell me here, enterprise applications, right? Exactly. Guys, one is like web container will execute the web applications. EJB container will execute what? Enterprise application, right? It means application server supports both web applications as well as what? Enterprise applications, right? Yes or no? But web server supports only what? Web application, guys, because it contains only web container, right? Guys, is it clear now? Guys, how many types of servers total we have? Total two types of servers. One is the web server, second one is what? Application server, right? Web server supports what? Only web applications. Guys, what about application server? Application server supports both web applications as well as what? Both web applications as well as what? Enterprise applications, right? Web applications and what? Enterprise applications, guys. That is information, right? Guys, the best example of these days, guys, everything is application server. So Tomcat is application server, Glassfish, WebLogic, these all are application servers only, guys. WebLogic, these all are what? Application servers, right? Exactly. Is it clear now? Guys, total how many types of servers? Two types of servers. What are two types, guys? Web server and what? Application server, right? Guys, total we done the 3 points. First point, Servlet introduction. Servlet is the object executed at server side. Servlets are used to write the programming at server side. Guys, these days are calling it Jakarta Servlet. Formerly Java Servlet, right? The Servlet will respond for the request. The throat infection, guys. Servlet will respond for the request from the client, right? Yeah, I can write one more point. So using servlets, you can write the client. You can design a client server application, right? Guys, using servlets, using what? Using servlets, it is we can develop. Guys, using Servlet, you can develop the client server based application, right? Yes, sir. No, using Servlets only you can develop what client server based application, right? Yeah, that's the first point, guys. And second point, like core job applications are executed by JVM, the database queries are executed by DBE, database engine, and the servlets are executed by guys. Servlets are executed by server, right? Servlets are executed by server, guys. That's what in your system. First, you install the server, guys. How many types of servers we have means there are total two types of servers we have. What are two types, guys? Here, web server and what application server, right? Guys, you're clear about the web server and application server, right? Web server supports only web container. Application server supports web container as well as what? Mm, web
EJB.
container, EJB container also, right? Web container plus EJB container, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Mm, Yeah, guys, can you hear me? Yeah. This is like web server and what application server, guys. These days, everything is application servers, guys. Okay, in your system today, can you please install the Tomcat server, guys? So we are working with what? So Tomcat server. Guys, to execute the servlets, first of all, you require the Tomcat server because servlets are executed by Tomcat server, right? Yeah, install the Tomcat server, guys. Yes, to go the Tomcat server, guys. Yes, coming to the versions of servlets, guys. You can check this diagram once. So Jakarta Servlet 6.0, very good. Yes, Java Servlets introduced in 1996, December 1996, right? As a platform JSDK, so Java Development Kit 1.0. 2.0 means Servlet 2.0. Okay, yes, sir, no, Servlet 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5. After 2.5, there will be Servlet 3.0 version. 3.1, 3.0, 3.1, directly 4.0. So 4.0, then 4.0.3, then 5.0. 5.0. So see guys, from 5.0 onwards, not version onwards, 2020 guys. API moved from the package. Guys, API moved from the package from which version onwards, guys? Here, uh, yeah, from this Jakarta Servlet, guys. Guys, the API moved from Java X package to what, guys? This also just you can check this point, guys. So these guys were doing very number of modifications. Yeah, Java X dot Jakarta Servlet guy 5.0 October 9 2020 5.0 API moved from what? The API moved from the package Java X dot Servlet package, guys. Java X dot Servlet package to Jakarta dot Servlet, right? Guys, Java Xdot Java Servlet Java Xdot Servlet to Jakarta dot Servlet, right? Java is renamed, guys. Renamed from the Java trademark, right? Remove duplicate features and implement request enhancements. Okay. Guys, the present version of Servlet is what? Guys, the present Servlet is what? Jakarta Servlet 6.0, right? Which is released in the 2021, guys, October 15th. October 15th, right? Exactly. This is the latest version, guys. Servlet 6.0 is the latest version, guys. But when it is renamed means, hmm, guys, to get this, guys, these import platforms are important here. To get the support of Servlet 6.0 in your system, at least you need to install JDK 10th and above version 6.0. If you want to get the support of 5.0 in your system, you need to install Java 9 and above versions. 9 and above versions. Okay. So to get the support of Servlet 4.0, we need to install the Java 8th version. So in your system, if you install the Java 8th version, you'll get the support of what? Servlet 4.0, right? Yes or no? Servlet's what? 4.0. Okay, this is like compatibilities we need to check. These compatibilities we need to check. Guys, you can check the version release, guys. Check the versions of Servlet using this link, okay? So check the versions. Guys, getting the knowledge is important. Where we are checking is not important, right? Check the version of check the version of Servlet, guys. Check the version of Servlet using this link, okay? Yes, yes or no? Wiki Jakarta Servlet is there, right? Jakarta Servlet is there. This is my Servlet data, guys. Servlet API history, right? Exactly. Guys, are you clear now? Hmm? That is information, guys. So this is like version history, guys. Just you can try to check the version history here. From Java 5th version onwards, the Java package is moved to the Jakarta package. They renamed it to Jakarta. They renamed it to what? Jakarta, right? Yeah. Guys, today time to install a Tomcat server in the system because tomorrow onwards we'll start the solid first application. So without any gap, directly we'll start the first application, guys. That's why today try to install the Tomcat server, guys. Simply Tomcat server download. Guys, Tomcat server download you can check. So go for Apache Tomcat 8, Apache Tomcat 10 software download, guys. Hmm? Apache software, right? Guys, the Tomcat present version is what? 10th version, guys. Latest version of Tomcat is like 10th version. At least in your system, try to install the Java Tomcat 9th version, guys. Try to install Java Tomcat 9th version, right? Yeah, in my system also we have a Tomcat 9th version, guys. So Tomcat 9 version. If you click the Tomcat 9, you will get this one, guys. Guys, just you can go to this link. Yeah, in this link, guys, try to download like service installer, guys. You can go for 32-bit and 64-bit word service installer, right? Exactly. Just you can click on this one, guys. Windows service installer, right? Yeah. Once if we click on this, download will start automatically. Guys, download will start automatically, right? Exactly. Guys, click above link, download will start, right? Click above link, click above link, the download will start automatically, right? Guys, the download will start, download will start, right? Exactly. Guys, installation means what? Install the software. Guys, install the software, guys. Guys, while installation process, the first point we need to check, like, while installation, guys, it is asking, like, some ports basically. So here AGB port is there, shutdown port is there. There's multiple ports it's showing, guys, but these ports are not important here. So while installation, guys, is asking like HTTP port, guys. Guys, HTTP port by default is taking 8080. Okay, 8080 it is taking. But in your system, if you Oracle, we have the Oracle database already. Guys, in your system, if you have the Oracle database already, what happened, Oracle database is already running on 8080 port, guys. So can you please change, first step is what, guys? Change the HTTP port. Guys, AGB port is there, shutdown port is there. Guys, we no need to change, no need to change those products, guys. Guys, do one thing. Can you please install now itself? Guys, can you please go to this website fast, everyone? Just 1 minute process, guys. Yes, everyone go to the website. Click on 32-bit or 64-bit Windows installer, Windows Service Installer. Guys, Windows Service Installer. Respond in chat whether you guys are doing the process or not. Windows Service Installer, just you can download. Lipica reinstalling.
Sir, I'm doing that.
Downloaded.
Not yet. I'm just typing that tomcat.apac.org.
Jessica can copy paste that, so that is in the chat, right? I place in chat now. Just you can copy that URL, place in address bar, right? Why you are typing the URL again? What are you doing, Amma? Yeah, just you can copy this URL and place in address bar simply. Why you are typing URL? What happened, bro? Hmm? Mahesh, are you doing the installation process? Mahesh, Ravi Kiran, Naidu, Narendra Jaiswal, Panchil, Pratima. Pratima, are you doing the process? Downloading process complete, huh? No, sir, I'm using mobile. Not Pratima. ID is. He's a singer, it seems. Server port number. Hey, cool. Don't install server ports. I will tell you the installation process. Guys, for server port number default to click next. No. Server HGB port is there, shutdown port is there now. But out of those ports, it is taking HTTP port, right? Change the HTTP port number, guys. Change the HTTP port number to any 4-digit number like 9999. By default, it will take the 8080. Guys, HTTP port number by default is taking 8080. Can you please change that port number to 9999? Okay, that is one thing we need to check. And second point in the below, it is asking Tomcat, give the Tomcat username and password. Guys, remember that username password because in future to connect with the server, we need that username password to deploy the applications and undeploy the applications. We need that that username password required. Give the username and give the username and password, right? Exactly. Guys, give the username and password.
Sir, what about server shutdown port?
Shutdown port,
Share it
ACU
with
port,
my-
no need.
Okay.
That 8080 we need to give 9090. What did you say?
HTTP port is 8080 is right by default. Can you
Yeah.
please change that number to any 4-digit number 8888 or 9999 or 1010 like that, any 4-digit number. That remember that number because in future to connect with the server that number required. Okay.
Okay. Then next.
In the below it's asking username password na Tomcat
Yes.
username password. Give the Tomcat username password. These port numbers, username, passwords are important to deploy the applications and undeploy the application in the server. Don't forget this thing, okay?
So any
Here
username
these,
will give.
that is up to you. So your name
Oh.
you can give.
Okay.
Or my name. Give me my name.
Yeah.
It is our own username and password. Yeah, your own username password only. You can give anything. It's not a problem. Guys, next, guys, just click on next. But last window, guys, next buttons are there.
Next.
Last window.
C program.
Run Apache Tomcat is there now. Run Apache Tomcat checkbox is there, right? Checkbox. Uncheck the checkbox, guys. Uncheck the
Go back.
uncheck the okay checkbox, right? Exactly. Because Run Apache Tomcat checkbox is there. But because uncheck the checkbox, guys. At last you can find one checkbox, right? Run Apache Tomcat is there.
In the next.
Yes,
Or
at last.
after next.
Click on next. At last, the finish window is there.
Okay, install. Run Apache Tomcat, huh?
That is uncheck mode, right? By default, check is there, right?
Yeah.
Uncheck the checkbox. Uncheck the checkbox.
And so readme uncheck.
It's not required. Just you can uncheck the checkboxes. Guys,
Okay.
why I'm last checkbox I'm unchecking means because Run Apache Tomcat checking mode is there. It means by default server will run internally. server will start internally. But you need to start internally, or we need to give, like, we need to start manually. We need to start manually, right? That's what. Let me uncheck the checkbox. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Finish.
What,
Then
Pratima?
finish.
Finish. Completed.
What about show readme, sir?
Sorry.
Show readme.
It's not required. Just uncheck that one also. README file will be showing like README file.
Okay.
Okay. Release note.
Guys,
License Apache.
guys, this is like website to download. We need to click on this Windows Service Installer. Click the above link, download, and click above link. The download will start. Install software, guys. While installation process, change the port number. Change the HDB port number, guys. AGB port is there, shutdown port is there. We no need to change the AGB port and shutdown port. Just to change the HDB port number, like 9999. Give the username and password of the Tomcat server, guys. Run Apache Tomcat checkbox is there, na? Uncheck the checkbox, guys. Uncheck the checkbox, right? Exactly, guys. Once the installation process completed, guys. Once the initialization process completed, then what happened here, guys? Once the initialization process completed, the folder location. Okay, the folder location is, guys. What is the folder location? What is the folder location? Guys, once initialization completed, you try to check in your system. So by default, which is then the local disk C, program files,
Apache Software Foundation. Yeah.
Apache Software Foundation is there,
Yeah.
Tomcat 9. Yeah, guys, can you please check this one location once? This is a location. Yes, in this location we have
Tomcat
some
9.
folders, right? Tomcat 9. In my system, I installed Tomcat 9. Na? Yeah, Tomcat 9. Yes, in this location we have some folders, right? Can you please read that folder names? Guys, can please anyone read the folder name? One person, can you please tell me only one folder name?
Apache Software Foundation, then common files, those things.
Tomcat 9.0 folder is there, right? Under that folder,
Yeah.
we have under this root folder. Under this root folder, we have the folders, right? Tell me that folder names. Yes, please respond with the folder names.
Why is it opening?
Fatima said lib folder. Very good. Libraries. One is a lib folder is there. Lib folder is there.
Bin.
Bin folder is there. Binaries. Very good. Bin folder is there. Lib folder is there. Subhashni, did you install software? Subhashni, please respond.
I cannot open this. Open.
Fatima, don't type all folder names. Other guys will respond for that.
So
Subhashni, can
mine
you
is
please
not
get in?
opening. Why?
What is not opening?
The folder is not.
Very good.
Nothing is.
Yes,
I
lib
can-
folder is there. Bin
Saying
folder
from
is
my
there.
side, the code is not opening means installation not properly, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Folder is not opening. Why? Which
Yeah, I
folder?
don't know.
We got
The
The
Tomcat 9.
9.0 is not opening. There is no response.
Tomcat 9.0 is not opening.
Yeah.
No, why? Because you done the installation install process, right?
Yeah.
Then
I'll do it again then. Maybe some problem.
no, it's not a problem because you said like you clicked on install also, right?
Yeah.
Once if you done
Install.
install button, definitely you'll get the software. Just try to reopen again.
Okay.
Guys, lib folder is there, bin folder is there. Next one is what? We have a log folder is there. Web apps folder is there. Work folder is there, and config folder is there, and total 7 folders we have. Bin, lib, and temp folder is there, right? Guys, Tomcat, once the installation process completed, guys, you will get the total. How many folders means? Yes, how many folders? How many folders means total? 7 folders, right? Yeah. Let me go for the first folder, guys. Bin folder. Because bin folder contains the binary executables used to start and stop the server. Okay, this folder contains what? Okay, this folder contains what? Contains so binary executables. Binary executables used to start and use it to start and what stop the use it to start and stop the server, right? Exactly. Guys, this folder contains the binary executables. Use it to start and stop the use it to start and what stop the server, right? Exactly. Guys, just open the bin folder here, binary folder Tomcat 9.0. So bin folder is there. In the bin folder Tomcat 9 is there, right? Guys, in the bin Tomcat 9 is there now. You try to open the Tomcat 9 file once. Guys, here the bin folder is there now. Tomcat 9.0 bin folder. Here Tomcat 9 is there, right? Just double click on this file. Once you double click on this file, click on yes, sir. Click on what? Yes, right? Once if we click on yes, guys, once if we click on yes, the server will start, guys. Guys, bin folder is there. In bin folder Tomcat 9. This what is the symbol name, guys? Some symbol is there, right? This one you need to click. Once if the server started, guys, you will get the message like server startup in so and so milliseconds. You'll get the message like that. Guys, server startup in what? So and so milliseconds. Sir, why this is taking this much time means because in my system already some previous files are there, right? Previous projects are there, that is loading, it will taking some time. The server startup in what? So on for milliseconds. So 1379 799 milliseconds, right? Guys, here somewhere you can find the server port also. Okay, server port. Here only you will get the port. Somewhere you can see the port. No. Main. Yeah, the server startup in what? So and so milliseconds, right? Guys, once it is server started, guys, server started here. We need to connect the server, guys. To connect to the server, guys, HTTP colon slashes localhost, guys, localhost colon HTTP colon slashes, guys, localhost. What is the port number? I think in my system the port number is 9999. Guys, in your system, what is the port number you given? Just you can give the port number, right? Guys, the port number is what? 9999, right? Exactly. Because once if server is running mode, guys, if the server is running mode, you are able to connect with the server, guys. Guys, are you clear now? My server is running mode, then I am able to connect with the server. Localhost colon 9999. Madhuri.
So JDBC sessions will take by later, sir, after subjects.
Take me later. Guys, let me close this Eclipse ID once, please. Because in Eclipse ID some Sentinel server is running. That's what is showing is issue. Guys, once if it is done, yeah. See guys here, once if installation done properly, okay, if your server is started properly, okay, server started what properly, you will get this file, guys. What the file here? So localhost colon 9999, right? This is the URL pattern you need to type. Good. So bind this folder contains bind executable, guys, to start and stop the server. Once the server started, okay, once the server started, connect to server, using below link, right? Guys, connect to server using what? Below link, right? Exactly. There's HTTP colon slashes localhost 9999, right? Exactly. Okay, this folder contains the binary executables used to start and stop the server. Once the server connect, once the server started, connect to the server using this link, guys. That's very clear now. The bin folder contains the binary executables to start and stop the server, right? So once the server started, connect to the server using this link, right? This is the link we need to type. Guys, then decide server is started properly. Guys, here you will get information. Apache Tomcat 9.0.48 here. Once if installation done, guys, the server contains what are the applications we deployed. Those applications are present here, right? what are the applications we deployed, guys? Those applications are goes to managed app. Just you can click on this managed app, guys. There's the deployed applications are present in what? The deployed, okay. The deployed applications are what? Present in manager app, right? Guys, the deployed applications are present in what? Manager app, right? So please open the manager app, guys. So once if you open the manager app, here Tomcat and Tomcat. Or click on sign in. Guys, you give the username password, right? Guys, in my system, I give the username password like Tomcat and Tomcat, right? The deployed application present in manager app, guys. Open it. Open this folder, right? Open this folder, right? Exactly. Then you last the username password, guys. Enter the username password. Once the username password be entered, then all the list of applications are showing here, right? List of applications like these are the applications, guys. So HTTP session app, filter app, context config example, manager, host manager. This is the information, right? And in the below you will get the console like deploy the application. Select a WAR file to deploy. TLS host name is optional. It's fine like this, guys. Like this you'll get the information, guys. Yes or no? So Tomcat version, guys, JVM version, JVM vendor, guys. Who is the vendor for this one? Tomcat. Now it is from Oracle Corporation, right? Guys, now it is from what? Oracle Corporation or not? Yeah. Guys, today you try to done the installation process, try to complete installation process, and try to go to this bin folder. In the bin folder, we can find this Tomcat 9. Tomcat 9 is there, na? This is a file, executable files, guys. Just you can double click on this file, then server will start like this. Once the server started, then go to the browser. In the browser, just you type the URL pattern is what? http:// localhost 9999, right? Once if you done this one, the deployed application. Once if you open this one, the server properly started, then it's showing the web page, right? That the Tomcat page. Because once if it is connected to server, it's showing the Tomcat web page, right? Tomcat welcome page, guys. The deployed applications are present in what? Guys, once the above link working good, we will get working good. We will get what? We will get the Tomcat. Once the above link working good, we will get the Tomcat. What we will get, guys? We will get the Tomcat welcome page, right? Tomcat welcome page, guys. The deployed applications are present in managed app, guys. Click on this managed app. Once if you click on this managed app, it's asking username password. Enter the username and password, right? Exactly. Guys, today we done. These are the points, guys. You try to check these points. The first one is what? Servlet introduction. The second one is what? Servlet versions. Third one is core job applications are executed by JVM. Database queries are executed by DB, database engine. Servlet is executed by server. How many types of servers, guys? There are two types of servers: web servers and what? Application server, right? As web server is contains the web container plus JSP engine. Sorry, web server contains the web container. Web container is a combination of Servlet container plus JSP engine. Servlet container is also known as like Servlet engine or Catalina. Servlet container also known as what? Servlet engine or Catalina. Servlet engine or what? Catalina, right? JSP engine is also known as what? Jasper, right? Exactly. Next one is what, guys? Application server contains the web container plus EJB container, right? Yeah, install the software, guys. Change the port number and all. Once the installation is completed, the folder location is what? This is the location, guys. In this one, bin folder is there. Here we have the startup file, guys. Start the server. Once the server started, connect to the server using below link, right? This is the link we need to connect. Yes or no? Once the above link is working good means you'll get the Tomcat welcome page. The deployed applications are present in what? Managed APP, right? Guys, the deployed applications are present in what? Manage APP folder, right? Yeah, guys, you try to check this bin folder, guys. We understood the bin folder. In tomorrow class, I'll explain the remaining folder and I'll start the first application about your servlets. Yes or no? So to execute the servlets in your system, server ready now? Server ready, right? Exactly. Guys, I'll share this class notes, which is like producttest.com/servlets 8 a.m. Servlets 8 a.m. right? Mahesh, the course duration will be 2 months. Yes, I'll take the classes core 2 months, advanced 2 months, spring 2 months. All are 2 months classes, guys. This is a day two. This is the day two. Day two. Guys, I think yesterday video was uploaded in YouTube. Just let me check that YouTube video. YouTube.com. Fine. Guys, the video is uploaded in yesterday video. And today video is uploaded after 1 hour. We try to check that video once. Guys, try to complete the formalities fee payments. We done the couple of demo classes. So advanced DB Java by ROMs or 8 a.m. Yeah, 16 hours ago. This is the class regarding yesterday, guys. The guys who are missed yesterday class, and if you guys want to check the yesterday class, just let me place the video link here. This is the day one link. You try to make the day one link. And today is a day two link, guys. After 1 hour, just you try to check advanced Java by Mr.
Millions of dollars are being
8 a.m. Just you can like do
research
like
every
that.
single day. If you want to keep up with the latest advancements, you have to have something that
So here yesterday class just we discussed what is a client, what is the server, what is the database. Server will do like what responsibilities, right? On assignment guys today. Yesterday given assignment, what is assignment here? What is the difference between the protocol? Na? One is like an HTTP protocol, one is a SOAP protocol. Anyone check the differences? HTTP protocol and SOAP protocol? Guys, anyone tried the difference? HTTP protocol and SOAP protocol. Yeah, I will tell in tomorrow. Tomorrow you will see that point. HTTP protocol, information HTTP protocol, you will see tomorrow class. Okay. Bye guys. Tomorrow we'll meet. The guys who didn't pay the fees, please complete the formalities, fee payments. And this class notes link, guys, producttest.com/servlets 8 a.m. Servlets 8 a.m. When you open this, it is asking password, guys. The password for that link is Java. JAVA is a password. Guys, the password for that link is what? Java. JAVA is the password. Is it clear, right? Yeah. Bye guys. Tomorrow we'll meet.